We're on the file stand at EMO, and we've been joined by Mark Jones, who you will know is from Leader Chuck International Workholding Solutions. Is that correct?
That's absolutely right, Colin.
Excellent.
Good to see you again.
And you have added to your workholding solution range.
Yeah, we have. This is a steady rest, or a range of steady rests. I've been anxious to get a range of steady rests to complement what we already offer. And one of our partners in Italy has designed and manufactured this range that you can see one example of to the side here.
Absolutely, and they really are premium products. They have like you say, they have a whole range. What size do they go from and to?
Okay, they really are premium products. You're right. Yes, a 100% Italian manufacturer. Size ranges. Well, in the standard range there are 10 units that will start as low or clamp as low as 4 millimeters diameter, and the largest standard one goes up to 460 mil diameter.
Okay. Now you emphasise standard because they're happy to do bespoke solutions if required.
They are. We in fact have orders at the moment for steadies up that are clamping up to 1 meter diameter work.
That's some big components.
Yeah, nice business.
And what sort of weight do they go up to as well?
Again, the catalogue will tell you that we have no problem at all with workpieces that weigh up to 500 kilos.
Wow.
When we want to go above that, then we probably need to know more about the length of the workpiece, the diameter of the workpiece, what's happening to it.
But they can provide a solution if required?
Yes, definitely.
Okay. Now, what sort of machines will these go on?
Okay. These steadies are designed, the majority of machines that they'll be fitted to are lathes.
Of course.
However, grinding as well.
Okay. Now, when you say lathes, these days you see multi-spindle lathes, mill-turn lathes and things like that. Do they have a range to fit those as well?
Well, all of our customers so far have been regular single spindle lathes of varying capacities.
Okay, yeah. But they have the smaller range for those other types of machines as well?
Yes, there is a mini version.
Right,
yes.
Okay. Now, what sort of accuracy will these go to in terms of clamping?
Okay, with repeatability, depending on the diameter length of your workpiece, but the best that we can achieve is 5 microns.
Wow.
And on the very larger diameter stuff, then we are repeating within 10 microns.
Impressive stuff. So ultimately though, why are you going to buy one of these? Obviously it's a steady holding that component, but what will that achieve?
Well, I think, the component should dictate whether or not you need. Just it needs to be supported as well as at the chuck. But what you will get by using it is an improvement in the surface finish of the workpiece. And obviously with less vibration, the longevity of the machine tool, the spindle bearings
tooling as well,
retain their accuracy and a longer life.
Excellent. So there you have it, the new steady range from Mark Jones at Leader Chuck International, improving performance of your components and also your machine tools as well.
Great.